Why is my water heater making banging noises? Have you ever turned on your hot water and heard a loud bang coming from your water heater? It can be startling, but there are some common reasons behind those noises. Understanding what causes them can help you decide whether to fix it yourself or call in a professional. One of the most common causes is sediment buildup inside the tank. Over time, minerals like calcium and lime from your water settle at the bottom. When the heater heats the water, these minerals trap water underneath. As the water heats up, it turns to steam and creates bubbles that pop or explode through the sediment layer. That popping sound is what you hear as banging or rumbling. This buildup is more likely if you have hard water, but it can happen anywhere. If left untreated, sediment can make your water heater less efficient, raise your energy bills, and even cause leaks or tank damage. Another reason for banging noises is water hammer. This occurs when water flowing through your pipe suddenly stops. The sudden pressure surge causes pipes and the water heater tank to vibrate or bang. For example, if you quickly turn off a faucet or appliance, the force of the water has nowhere to go. Repeated water hammer can weaken pipes and damage your water heater over time. Installing a water hammer arrestor, which absorbs the shock, can fix this problem. Adjusting your water pressure with a pressure-reducing valve can also help prevent these sudden surges. Sometimes, the noise is caused by thermal expansion. When water heats up, it expands. If your plumbing system doesn't have a way to handle this expansion, the increased pressure can cause banging sounds and stress on the tank and pipes. Installing an expansion tank gives the heated water a place to go, relieving pressure and stopping the noise. Addressing these issues early is important to avoid bigger problems. Flushing your tank to remove sediment is a simple maintenance task that can be done by most homeowners. Turn off the power, drain the tank, and flush out the mineral deposits. Doing this once or twice a year keeps your water heater running smoothly. If you notice water hammer, installing a water hammer arrestor or adjusting your water pressure can prevent future noise. For thermal expansion issues, adding an expansion tank is a good fix. Ignoring banging noises can lead to leaks or a tank failure. While these sounds don't mean your water heater will explode, the stress from sediment, pressure surges, or thermal expansion can shorten its lifespan. If you're unsure about fixing these problems yourself, calling a licensed plumber is a smart choice. They can handle the repairs safely and efficiently. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to these noises will help your water heater stay in good shape and save you money on repairs later on.